Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the fundamentals: grip, body, and eyes. Place the ball high against your rib cage with fingertips on the seams so it can't slip. This lowers turnover risk. Bend your knees about 45 degrees, keep weight slightly forward, and widen your base to resist hits. Once done, focus your vision on the play's strike zone and rehearse a quick tuck. These actions stop early bobbles and build a reliable baseline for more advanced protection techniques. Now move into protection under pressure. Tuck the ball with your forearm, seal the elbow so defenders can't rip at the seam, and use your free hand to cup the end. Anticipate contact by reading incoming shoulders and absorb hits with your hips and legs rather than letting wrists do the work. Once this is second nature, practice reaction drills, bag work, pocket holds, and controlled one-on-one reps to hardwire quick adjustments and build muscle memory for chaotic game moments. Finish plays by crossing your feet away from contact, keeping vision on the field, and rechecking the ball position after each collision. If you still fumble, the usual culprits are a loose wrist or a late tuck. Address these with slow motion, exaggerated reps to retrain timing. Once done, learn a quick mid-play reset. Plant, clamp the ball, take one protective step, and buy 1 to 2 extra seconds. Practicing that reset reduces turnovers and gives you a reliable recovery plan.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.